How to replace a human touch Novo XT PRO SE sound PCB. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud. Pull the rear shroud toward you to detach it, then turn it clockwise and rest it on the floor. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover. The 2 PCB cover corners facing the front of the chair are secured by a barbed tab. Push each corner of the cover toward the front of the chair to clear the tab lip, then pull firmly up on the cover to detach it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the main PCB. This is necessary to access one of the sound PCB connectors. Remove the 2 red connector locks from the sound PCB connectors. To remove a connector lock, pull outward on the tab and then upward. Disconnect all of the connectors from the sound PCB. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB, then remove the PCB from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Align the round cable connector pins with the round PCB connector sockets, then connect them. Move the connectors out of the way, then place the PCB into position. Replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB. It is helpful to partially tighten the first screw, install and fully tighten the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Connect all of the connectors to the PCB. Be sure to install a red connector lock on the small white connector that faces the front of the chair and small blue connector that faces the rear of the chair before connecting them. Replace the 4 screws to secure the main PCB. It is helpful to partially tighten the first screw, install and fully tighten the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Note the 2 slots on the PCB cover. Note the 2 tabs on the PCB tray. Lower the PCB cover slots over the PCB tray tabs, then use your fingers to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the PCB cover. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.